Now in case of synchronous generator, the stationary armature is there. What are the advantages of stationary armature over rotating armature? In case of DC generator, it is a rotating armature. What are the advantages of stationary armature over rotating armature? Is stationary armature over rotating armature? What are the advantages? Advantages of stationary armature in synchronous machines. It is very important topic. Why the stationary armature we are using means we can collect easily, we can more economical, that is more economical, and efficiency will increases. So many advantages are there. Let us discuss advantage of stationary armature in synchronous machines. The armature is stationary, that is very important topic. It is advantage of stationary armature in synchronous machines. The stationary armature, in the sense it is not rotating part. Advantage of primary providing the field winding on rotor and armature winding on the stator has so many advantages. One is more economical. What is the first point? Is more economical. It is more economical to provide armature winding on stator and field winding on rotor, because armature winding on stator, it is more economical. We can consider one example. In order to explain this, consider a 3-phase star connected 200 MVA 11 kV synchronous machine. The line current is 200 into 10 power 6, that is 10 into 2, that is MVA rating by root 3 into 11 kV, that gives 10,500 amps. 10,500 amps, this is the current. Current is the voltage kVA rating by root 3 into 11 into 10 kV, it is 3 phase, that is 10,500 amps. It is very difficult to carry the current in case of rotor, because brushes all will be damages for higher currents. If the armature winding is placed on rotor, the slip rings each capable of handling 10,500 amps would be required. Further, each slip ring must be properly insulated from shaft voltage of 11 by root 3, that is 6.35. These slip rings also again we have to insulated, properly insulated from a shaft for a voltage of 6.35, 11 by root 3, that is phase voltage. The star point of 3-phase winding, that is neutral, must be brought out through 4th slip ring. So providing field winding on rotor is very important or more economical than providing stationary armature. The first one is more economical because such a huge current we can't place on rotor, the armature winding. The armature winding is, hence it is more economical to place stator is a winding, armature winding, and rotor is a field poles, because a very low current will flow in field poles. That is a DC supply we are giving around 120 volts to 220 volts DC we are giving for field poles, that is very less current will come. Now coming to more efficient, another point is with the armature winding on the stator and field winding on the rotor, only 2 slip rings are required. Only 2 slip rings are required to give the supply for rotor, because the DC supply requires only 2 slip rings, because the plus and minus only we are giving for field winding. Slip ring losses also reduces when synchronous machine is equipped with stationary armature. That is more efficient. Coming to another advantage is better insulation. Insulation we can easily provide if the armature is stationary. Stationary armature winding can be easily insulated for higher voltages, and possible to construct a 33 kV synchronous machine is very easy, because insulation we can adequate insulation can provide for 33 kV synchronous generator or 11 kV synchronous generator. Another one is efficient cooling. Efficient cooling, stationary armature wind can be cooled easily and efficiently, more effectively by using stationary armature. This is permitting the construction of large synchronous machines, say 1000 megawatt or above. We are using efficient cooling we are providing in synchronous generators. Because of this reason, efficient cooling is provided if the armature is stationary. If it is a rotating armature, it is very difficult to provide a cooling for a larger currents. Hence, the synchronous generator is provided with stationary armature. It is the 4th point. These are the different Advantages of stationary armature over rotating armature. The various advantages, again repeating, more economical and more efficient. Economical in the sense it can be carry the larger currents because of stationary armature. It is better to insulation provide, that is more efficient, better insulation. And another one is efficient cooling. Efficient cooling is the another advantages of stationary armature. Stationary armature winding can be cooled more efficiently, thus it's permitting construction of large synchronous machines. We are constructing, in case of power plants, we are using alternators very largely. Because of efficient cooling, we can easily provide the cooling towers, provides the cooling for efficient cooling for synchronous generators or alternators which are in power plants. Coming to another advantages, stationary armature is more output. More output will come because losses will be less, as the synchronous generator stationary armature, it has more output. Low power field windings on rotor, it gives light rotor. Because a low power field winding on rotor, light rotor will come. Low centrifugal forces also required for rotor. In view of this, higher rotor speeds are possible, thus increasing the synchronous machine output from given dimensions. More output will get when you increase the speed of rotor. In case of thermal power plant, we are getting high speeds. The more speed can be obtained, that more speed gives more output. For more output, the stationary armature is the one of the advantage. To give more output, more efficiency also, we are using stationary armature. Less rotor weight and inertia. Another advantage is less rotor weight and inertia. Field windings on the rotor requires less amount of copper and insulation. The field windings on the rotor requires less amount of copper and insulation. This reduces the overall weight of rotor, because the less number of windings we are using in field, that reduces the weight of the rotor and inertia. But if you use stator, the rotor windings, stator lo unde windings తీసుకెళ్ళి రోటర్లో పెడితే హై వెయిట్ అవుతుంది, ఇనర్షియా ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది. ఎంత మనం హై స్పీడ్లో తిప్పినా కూడా జనరేటర్ ఎక్కువ స్పీడ్ తిరగదు, అంటే అవుట్పుట్ తక్కువ వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో వన్ ఆఫ్ ద అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ rotor weight and inertia. Less rotor weight and inertia will be there in case of synchronous generator. Hence, due to low weight, rotor bearings can withstand. That is also one of the advantages. As the rotor is less weight, because the poles are in rotor, longer time and minimize wear and tear also. And another advantage is rigid and convenient construction. 3-phase armature winding capable of handling high voltage, high current can be more easily braced against electromagnetic force when it is placed in stator slots. Winding, if you place on stator slots, it is easily braced, it is easily handling the high current. That is a rigid and convenient construction. Another advantage is more armature tooth strength. That is on armature tooth strength. The slots is nothing but tooth. The high current synchronous machines require more armature copper for each slot. The armature slots can be deeper so that wider and strong teeth are preferred for armature. More armature tooth strength will be provided by the use of stationary armature. Stationary ga undi kabatti ఆర్మేచర్ స్లాట్స్ కానీ టూత్ స్ట్రెంత్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, ఎందుకంటే రొటేట్ అవ్వదు కాబట్టి లామినేషన్స్ డ్యామేజ్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉండదు. హై కరెంట్ సింక్రోనస్ మిషన్స్ రిక్వైర్ మోర్ ఆర్మేచర్ కాపర్ ఫర్ ఈచ్ స్లాట్. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ వైండింగ్స్ అన్ని స్లాట్స్లో పెడుతుంటారు కాబట్టి స్లాట్ డ్యామేజ్ అవ్వకుండా ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ మోర్ ఆర్మేచర్ టూత్ స్ట్రెంత్. Strong teeth also results less noise due to vibrations and are not damaged during fabrication. Fabrication time lo kuda strong teeth provide cheste stationary armature lo they can't damage. అంటే ఆల్టర్నేటర్స్ ఎక్కువ రోజులు లైఫ్ వస్తున్నాయి కాబట్టి ఆర్మేచర్ టూత్ స్ట్రెంత్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఆల్టర్నేటర్స్ గివ్స్ లాంగర్ లైఫ్ ఆర్ లాంగర్ రన్ ఇన్ పవర్ ప్లాంట్స్. These are the various advantages of stationary armature. The first one is more efficient, more economical, and better insulation, efficient cooling. More economical because of higher currents can easily handle, it is more economical. And another one is more output, less rotor weight and inertia, resilient, convenient construction, more ampere, more armature to strength. These are the various advantages of stationary armature. That is very important topic for electrical missions 3.